Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and actually before we will do anything, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find a special section which is right here under the fingerprint, face and password. So let's simply tap on system update, and as you can see, your device is checking for the updates. That's why we need the internet connection, and basically we will have two different scenarios. The first one is visible right now, so there's basically nothing to download, nothing to update. Your system is up to date and everything is all right. And the second scenario is when you can actually download something, so your device will show you the name of the update, what has been fixed, for example, what's added, and then simply tap on download or install and you will be able to apply it to your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.